Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning products, specifically the 15 items that even the most seasoned professional organizers would steer clear of. While many of these products promise a cleaner home, they often fall short, creating more clutter or posing hidden risks. Join us as we explore why all-purpose cleaners, disposable wipes, and other common household staples may not be as effective or safe as you think. Let's get started. 1. All-purpose cleaners miss the mark on surfaces. Picture this: a sparkling quartz countertop dulled by a single swipe of the wrong cleaner. All-purpose sprays promise magic, but a professional organizer knows their one-size-fits-all approach is a recipe for regret. Each surface in your home, be it natural stone, stainless steel, or painted wood, deserves a tailored touch. Using the wrong formula can strip finishes, leave dull residue, or even void your warranty. Asterisk: a designer's secret? Asterisk: always use surface-specific cleaners. This elevates your space visually and protects your home's long-term value, making every finish pop the way it was meant to. 2. Disposable cleaning wipes add clutter and waste. Those grab-and-go wipes seem to spell convenience, but they're a silent clutter culprit, both in your cabinets and the landfill. Imagine a drawer filled with half-used wipe packets, each contributing to the mess you're trying to solve. Professional organizers reach for reusable microfiber cloths, which trap dirt and dust better and can be laundered hundreds of times. Not only do you cut down on household clutter, you also reduce your environmental footprint. Asterisk: clutter-free living starts with what you bring home, not just what you throw away. Asterisk. 3. Glass cleaners with ammonia create hidden hazards. The sharp scent of ammonia might feel like clean, but it's actually a sign of something more sinister. Ammonia-based glass sprays can irritate lungs, damage delicate window tints, and even corrode hardware over time. Professional organizers and stagers prefer a simple vinegar and water mix for a streak-free, safe shine. This approach keeps your spaces healthy and your windows so clear they practically disappear. Asterisk: why risk your health or your finishes for a placebo effect of fresh? Asterisk. 4. Air fresheners only mask, never solve the problem. A blast of synthetic scent doesn't erase yesterday's fish dinner, it just covers it up. Air fresheners create an illusion of cleanliness while pumping volatile organic compounds, into your air. Organizers focus on eliminating the source of odors, not just hiding them. Baking soda bowls in hidden corners or a diffuser with real essential oils can truly refresh a room. Asterisk: a home that smells clean because it is clean? That's modern luxury. Asterisk. 5. Bleach is too harsh for daily life. Bleach might seem like the nuclear option for messes, but it's overkill more often than not. It can eat away at grout, yellow textiles, and leave dangerous fumes lingering long after you've finished up. Professional organizers suggest hydrogen peroxide or diluted vinegar for most disinfecting needs. This keeps surfaces safe and the air breathable, a must for homes with kids or pets. Asterisk: clean should never come at the cost of comfort. Asterisk. 6. Furniture polish with silicone leaves sticky problems. That glossy shine from silicone polish fades fast, leaving behind a sticky buildup that attracts more dust and fingerprints. Over time, this film dulls wood and makes it harder to clean. Organizers and designers alike reach for natural alternatives like lemon oil, which conditions and protects without the after effects. Asterisk: it's the difference between showroom glow and what happened here. Asterisk. 7. Carpet cleaners with harsh chemicals risk everything. Spray in, foam up carpet cleaners often promise quick results, but the chemicals they use can break down fibers and leave residues that attract more dirt. Imagine investing in a high-end rug, only to see it lose color and softness after a few rounds with the wrong product. Eco-friendly carpet solutions not only work, they're safer for crawling toddlers and lounging pets. Asterisk: protect your investment and your peace of mind. Asterisk. 8. Fabric softener works against your home's health. That fresh laundry scent? It's usually chemicals that coat your textiles and can trigger allergies. Fabric softeners also reduce towel absorbency and leave a waxy finish on sheets. Professional organizers suggest wool dryer balls or a splash of vinegar to naturally soften fabrics. You get freshness without the irritants, and your linens last longer too. Asterisk soft doesn't have to mean synthetic. Asterisk 9. Oven cleaners bring toxicity to the table. Opening the oven shouldn't mean holding your breath. Commercial oven sprays often contain lye and caustic chemicals that linger on surfaces and in the air. Organizers recommend a baking soda paste. Spread it, let it sit, and wipe away for a surprisingly effective and odorless clean. Your kitchen should be a space for creativity, not chemical warfare. Asterisk safe cleaning means tastier meals and a healthier home. Asterisk 10. Toilet bowl cleaners with chemicals do more harm than neon blue swirl in your toilet? It's more show than substance. Many toilet cleaners have harsh acids that can erode porcelain and leak dangerous fumes. Professionals use vinegar and baking soda for a fizzing, deodorizing clean. This method is gentle on your fixtures and tough on stains, leaving bathrooms safe for everyone. Asterisk clean shouldn't come with a warning label. Asterisk 11. Scented candles sneak toxins into your sanctuary. A cozy candlelit vibe can be anything but comforting when it comes from paraffin wax and artificial fragrances. These candles release soot and chemicals that settle on your walls and in your lungs. Home stagers and organizers opt for beeswax or soy candles, which burn clean and add subtle, natural scents. Asterisk ambience should soothe, not pollute. Asterisk 12. Multi-surface cleaners with fragrance cloud the air. Many multi-surface sprays are loaded with synthetic scents that linger and irritate sensitive noses. Professionals pick fragrance-free or essential oil-based products, which clean just as well and keep indoor air crisp. This approach is especially important in homes with open-concept layouts, where scents can spread quickly and overwhelm. Asterisk a fresh home is when you can actually breathe in. Asterisk 13. Cleaning products with microplastics pollute the planet. Some scrubs and cleaners contain tiny plastic beads that wash down the drain, ending up in rivers and oceans. Organizers committed to sustainable homes avoid these entirely, favoring brands that are open about their ingredients and impact. Choosing these alternatives helps protect both your home's ecosystem and the world outside your door. Asterisk every scrub should make a difference, not a mess. Asterisk 14. Dish soap with harsh chemicals dries hands and plates. Cheap, brightly colored dish soaps often contain sulfates and phosphates that dry out your skin and leave a residue on dishes. Professionals reach for biodegradable, plant-based soaps instead. They're gentle on hands, safe for the environment, and leave dishes truly clean. Asterisk what touches your plates touches your life, make it count. Asterisk 15. Products with unclear labels hide risks. If you can't pronounce it or find it on the label, why let it into your home? Vague or misleading labels are a red flag for professional organizers. They always pick products with transparent ingredient lists, so you know exactly what's touching your surfaces, air, and family. Asterisk informed choices lead to empowered, harmonious living. Asterisk.